Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope all is well and I hope everything is well with you and your family. So this video is video number 5 part 3. This video is requested from the childrens because some of the childrens have different sketch at this topic. Different page is not a big problem because I always used to talk or I always used to start with the topic, okay? So but there is some different sketch in some of the pages of our children's. For me the sketch was different and that is little easy from these ones, but it's not too much difficult. The topic and the questions are same, just you need to measure these type of sketch. I will teach you how. In this picture you need to measure the perimeter and you need to measure the area. For area you need to count the blocks inside this sketch, and for the perimeter you need to find the length of each line, and after finding the length of each line you need to add them. There in this diagram there are 10 number of lines and you need to measure each line by using a ruler, and after measuring you have to write in beside the line the number, like this line is for if 4 centimeter you have to write here, and after writing or measurement of all the line you need to add them. But before doing this procedure they said first of all you need to estimate of the perimeter, that estimate which is not the accurate reading. For estimation, before taking a ruler we need to assume that how much you think the perimeter can be. So you can see the picture and you can just assume, you think that it is 40 centimeter or 39, any reading you assume or you think you have to write here. After that you need to find the actual perimeter. How? For this you need to measure all the lines. First of all we will start with this one. You need to measure it by using a ruler. Put your ruler from 0 and check how much the length of this line, then this line, one by one. For this line again from 0 check this. For this line again put this scale on 0 and check this line. For this line again put that ruler on 0 and check it. Side by side write here the readings also, which you can find it from the ruler. And after finding all you need to add them and write the actual perimeter. And after this you need to find the difference, if difference from your estimate and from the actual perimeter. If the actual perimeter is bigger than the estimate, you need to write here first the bigger number, then minus the smaller number. For example, my estimate of the perimeter is 40 for example, and the actual perimeter is 39. So I need to minus 40 minus 39, okay? And if my estimate perimeter is 41 and the actual perimeter is 40, it means I need to write this 41 first and then this one. So you need to write the bigger value and then the smallest value, then write here the difference. Likewise for area. Here for area you need to find the area by counting the blocks. First of all you will start writing here like this. This one is first box, 1 2 3, okay? You need to write all the countings here in the full boxes, okay? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. You need to write all the counting in the full boxes, and you can see that there are some boxes which are half, like this one and this one. So we can say it as, or we can consider it as, 2 half boxes equal to 1 box. If you can see, this is half and this is half, so together they can make 1. So that's why I told you to write all the countings here, and then this 2 box write here 1 counting, and then this 2 box consider it as 1 box, these 2 box consider it as 1 box. Here you can see this box is there, the half side, the quarter side is there. So if it is come here, it will come here, it can make a full box, so we can consider it as 1 box, okay? And then you have to write the actual parameter, the actual area, and before you need to write the estimate area, that's what you think how much the area can be. and here the actual area, then you have to find the difference. And always the area, for the area you need to write centimeter square. For example, the estimate area is 40, then you have to write 40 centimeter square. The actual area is maybe 39, you need to write here 39 centimeter square. For the perimeter you need to write centimeter. Same like this you need to do with this one. You need to measure the lines, estimate the perimeter, and then write the actual perimeter. For the area, write 1 2 countings for the full box, and the remaining half you can consider it as 1. Okay, so like this you can do this. And I can't tell you the answer for this exactly because I don't have a page, so I can't measure it by using a ruler. You have to measure it, no problem, just measure and try to do it. Then whenever we will meet, I can see then. Okay, thank you so much.